Hello everyone, welcome to Kidz Art. In today's video, we are going to draw Fennekin from Pokemon. Let's start with head first. Draw a circle. Turn the circle into sphere by making two curved lines, one vertical and one horizontal. Draw nose. Draw eye sockets. Draw eye sockets. Draw eye. Draw eye. Draw ear. Draw ear. Draw a circle below head for ribcage. Draw another circle at the bottom side for the pelvis. Draw a vertical line to split into equal parts. Draw leg. Draw leg. Draw leg. Draw leg. Draw tail. Detail the tail. Draw ear. Draw ear. Detail the ear. Detail the ear. Draw an outline over the sketch with the marker. Let's color. Thanks for watching. To get updates, subscribe to Kidz Art.